I'm again here with one of the important topic. I got a message from some students who want the revision of basically Power BI tool. So we have this particular question for the revision purpose. As you can see, we have employee information and the another data, which is the name of salary details. And then there is a some task which is mentioned, like merge both the tables using Power Query, right? Then compute the gross salary, total deduction, and net salary. Identify department with highest average net salary and identify employee with maximum PF deduction. So these are the basically point. So first, we will see how we have to attempt this question, right? You will receive or you will get the data in your question paper regarding the two set, right? We have one particular employee information sheet and another sheet is salary details. Now we have to merge these sheet, right? So first we will go to the Excel, right? I have prepared the data or I have copy paste the data. So you will also do the same. So first copy the data or you can just normally type the data. First, I will select this data and put a control T. Select the data and use control T so that it will arrange in a proper table. So I will click OK and you can see we have our particular table and now we will name it as, let's say, this is our employee detail. So we will write down employee underscore details, right? Keep remember, don't give a space and all. If you are signing any space and all, so it will not accept the name of this table. Next, similarly, we will do here as well. We will first select the data and we press Control T. We are using Control T to just make this tabular, convert the data into a tabular form. So again, here we will write down this table name as a salary, salary detail, right? So this is our particular tables, which is given us in a question paper. Now we will save this file. So we will save as, I will save this in a desktop that we can, easily utilize this. So desktop and I am saving this as a employee details. And now save the file. Second thing is after creating the particular tables, now our major work start, which is a Power BI tool. So now we will just go to our Power BI tool. So make sure that you must have installed Power BI desktop. So now just open this and again repeating, just keep remember or following each and every step very carefully, right? So first we will here select our file, which is in our Excel. So we will click Excel. Now just hold as it is working on it. It will directly pop up with that this. Otherwise, if it is not coming, so you have to just go to this one, Excel workbook. So just click on Excel workbook. Again, the pop-up will come and I will select employee detail, my PDF, right? So I will open and again it will take time and after cross-checking it will reflect the table name as these are our table, which is employee detail and table 4. I think we have named it as a salary, I think, but it has not updated. So no need to worry. Just now transform the data. After transforming the data, this kind of pop-up or interface will be there in your screen. So as you can see, this is our table 4. And now we will go to the merge queries. You will find this and your home ribbon and there will be a segment combine and you will get here merge query. Just select on merge query and now this particular portion is your table 4 where the basic information is given. The major which is your employee detail, will you will select here, right? This is your table 4, which is the basically salary or pay metrics, you can say. Your major table was this, which you need to select here. Now you have to check out which particular column is same. So as we can see, employee ID and employee ID both are same in these two. So we will select these. And now we can see that OK button is now able and we will click OK. Now after clicking OK, you will get this particular kind of scenario like employee details. And here we have particular icon. Just press this and now it will ask which particular column you want to add. So employee ID we can skip because we have already in our earlier table as well. Now employee name and department we will select OK. Now you can see we have now a combined table or a merged table like employee detail, their department and other relevant information, right? So this is how we need to merge the two tables. Okay, so now after merging this table, it is required we have to find out the gross salary, total deduction, and net salary in the question number 2, right? So for this, we need to find out first the overall gross salaries and all. So for this, we will go to this particular icon as you can see the cursor, this one. So just click there and select the add custom column. Add custom column. Just select this and this interface will be appear. Now find out the all required columns. Like first, we have to select the DA, that is dearness allowance payment, because we have to find out the net salary or gross salary. So first, we will try to find out all the factors or the deductible source. So first, we will write down here DA payment, and now we will give a formula to find out this. So if we are trying to find out DA, so that means we need our basic salary, which you can select from here. Basic salary. Just select basic salary and insert, then multiply. And you are talking about DA payment. So just select your DA percentage and insert and division by 100. Divide by 100 and you will click OK. So now you can see in your table there is a DA payment. Here dearness allowance कितना मिल रहा है किसी भी employee को, right? So this is our dearness allowance. Similarly, we will go for other same format you need to follow or the process you need to follow. Now we have calculated DNS allowance. Now we will find out the HRA. Okay. Now house rent allowance. So HRA payment, HRA payment, and again you will use the formula. So for HRA payment, again you need first basic salary. So just select basic salary and then multiply HRA rate. So HRA rate and insert and divide by 100 and you will click again OK. So you have now your HRA payment. The employee one is getting, Neha Kapoor is getting 78 and Arjun Mehta is this and that, right? So this is our second. So now we will add another third one. So we have done DA, HRA, now TDS. So we have to now find out the tax deductible at source, TDS payable. So we will write down here TDS payable and how we have to calculate the same thing. First, basic salary, insert basic salary, then multiply. We are talking about TDS, so just select the TDS rate and insert and divide by 100. So now again clicking OK. So now this is our TDS table. Now again we have to do the add column and now we have left with PF. So here we will write down PF payment. So now to calculate the PF payment, we will follow the same basic salary, insert, then multiply PF percentage, insert and divide by 100. And again, you will click OK. So here you have your PF payment. So we have mostly covered all the component, which is DA, HRA, TDS, PF, and all. Now it's time to find out our gross income. or gross salary. So gross salary. So to find out the gross salary, we will use gross salary mean ki basically whatever you are earning. So in earning, we are saying ki bhai, we get a basic salary. So we will insert first basic salary. Now, what is the other thing which we are getting now? So we know that dearness payment, dearness allowance, that is our income component. So we will insert this one as well. Now we know that HRA also we are receiving this one. So we will select HRA and insert. So we will include these three like basic, DA, HRA, right? And then we will click OK. So now we have our gross salary. Similarly, now total deduction. So we will use add custom column and again mention here the total deduction. Will be the amount which is going to be deducted from the salary. So total deduction will be included like first TDS payable, TDS will be deducted, right? And then another one is your PF. PF will be also deducted in your final salary. So again, we will insert and again, we will add one more component which is given to us as advance salary, right? Advance salary is also deducted. So this is your total deduction. So we will click OK. So we have now a total deduction. Now we have left with the net salary. So for the net salary, we will just write down the title, net salary. So net salary, then we will select. So now net will be like total gross salary. So we will insert total gross minus total deduction. So total deduction in minus insert and click OK. So you have now your net salary. So this is our question number like second, where they have asked first merge the table. So we have merged both the table using Power BI. Now we have find out our gross salary, total deduction, and net salary as well. Now they are asking identify department with highest average salary. Highest average salary. That means we want to find out the maximum value, right? Maximum value of net salary. So we will again go back, reaching at our PI. Now in this, first after completing this entire table, we have to make sure that we will come to this particular icon, close and apply. And after that, it will take time to get refreshed. So just wait. It is loading and now it's done. So we have our employee details and table in like key part. Now it is asking identify department with highest average net salary. Highest average net salary in department. So we will come back to our Power BI and here we will use report view. Now just select the requirement. Like they have asked to select the department. So employee department, this is the employee name. So this is our employee department. Next, we have to talk about the salary. So net salary is this one. So we'll click here as well. Now you can see we have our table, right? So this is our table. Now they have asked to mention the highest. So we will apply filter here. We will just click more option. Just go to sort. And in sort, we want the basis as per the net salary, right? And we select the net salary. So now we can see at the first, it is marketing. The marketing department is the one which is getting the highest salary, right? So that is asked like identify department with highest salary. So this is our marketing department. Similarly, we will do for identify employee with maximum PF deduction, right? So maximum PF deduction means maximum PF payment. So similarly, we will do here as well. We will apply. Now, this time we need our first PF deduction and we want the employee name this time. Here it is written the employee with maximum PF deduction. So we will use the employee name. So just select the employee name and then employee name and PF payment, which is this one, PF. So just select PF. So as you can see, now we have this particular title or a table, and again we will apply a sort in this, and we will arrange the Fs for the PF payment, and so far. So this is how you have to basically attempt your this particular question. Similarly, you can check out in your this particular table view as well. Here you can apply or check out like your net salary is this one. So select this, and again click the order whether you want in ascending or descending, this and that. So this is the overall scenario for this particular Power BI. Even you can use the chart as well. Like if we have to apply the chart in this particular scenario, we'll select this, and definitely we will go with the available options as well, right? And make sure that for this our axis is defined properly. So net salary should be on y-axis, and this kind of chart can be assigned to the function. So now I hope Power BI is clear to you all. So thank you for watching, and just prepare well for your exam.